session with the auspicious prayers. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Tatokshara Samhamnayam Asrajat Bhagwanajah Antastho Swarasparsha Hrishvadirghadilakshanam Krishnavarnam Tushakrishnan Sangopangastriparshadam Yajneha Sankirtanavrayairyajantih Sumedhasah वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्री प्रभुपाद जी की जय। गंधर्विका माता जी, who has introduced you about this classes?
Actually, I am get from Govinda Gita Govinda Devi Mata Ji group में है माता जी.
Geet Govind Mata ji, I don't know actually any with this name, any Mata ji.
I get from WhatsApp group Mata ji.
Okay Mata ji, no problem.
Okay.
So
how many days Mata ji going? It's going class.
it will be continue Mata ji. Srimad Bhagavatam full we will complete
Okay.
one by
Okay,
one
Mata
all
ji.
the words.
Okay.
Right. So we'll start from 1.2.11. Krishna Mataji, could you please recite after me?
जी माता जी।
Okay. वदन्ति तत् तत्त्वविदस्तत्त्वं
वदन्ति तत् तत्त्वविदस्तत्त्वं
यज्ञानमद्वयम्
यज्ञानं द्वयम्
ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवान् इति शब्दते।
ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवानिति शब्दध्यते।
Okay, one more time. वदन्ति तत् तत्त्वविदस्तत्त्वं यज्ञानम् अद्वयम् ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवान् इति शब्दते।
वदन्ति तत्तत्त्वविदस्त्वं यज्ञानम् अद्वयं ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवानिति शब्दत्यते।
Okay, here, okay, Mataji, I will tell one by one only. In whole, there is problem. Okay. Yes, Mataji, please recite the synonyms and translation.
Vadanti, they say that tat, that tattva, vida, the learned souls, tattvam, the absolute truth, yat, which, jnanam, knowledge, advayam, non-dual, brahma iti, known as Brahma, Paramatma iti, known as Paramatma, Bhagwan iti, known as Bhagwan, Shabdiyati, it so sounded. Translation by A.C. Bhakti Vedant Srila Prabhupada ji. Learned transcendentalist who know the absolute truth call this module substance Brahman, Paramatma or Bhagwan.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Gandharvika Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Yes, Mataji.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.12. Tat Shraddhana
Tat Shraddhana
Munayo
Munayo
Jnana Vairagya Yuktaya
Jnana Vairagya Yuktaya
पश्यन्त्यात्मनि चात्मानं
पश्यन्त्यात्मनि चात्मानं
भक्त्या श्रुतगृहीतया.
भक्त्या श्रुतगृहीतया.
Yes, Mataji, please recite the synonyms and translation.
Yes, Mataji. Translation, only translation, Mataji.
Synonyms also, Mataji.
Synonyms, okay. Tat, that, Shraddha, Dana, seriously, equity, Munayah, sages, Jnana, knowledge, Vairagya, detachment, Yuktaya, well equipped with Pashyanti, see, Atmani, within himself, Cha, and Atmanam, the Paramatma, Bhaktya, in devotional service, Shruta, the Vedas, Grihitaya, well received. Translation. The seriously inquisitive student or sage, well equipped with knowledge and detachment, realizes that absolute truth by rendering devotional service in terms of what he has heard from the Vedanta Shruti. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Okay, Camilla Mataji, could you please recite the sloka?
Yes, Mataji. अतः पुंभिर्द्विजश्रेष्ठा वर्णाश्रमविभागशः सनुष्ठितस्य धर्मस्य संसिद्धिर्हरितोषणम्.
Yes. Synonyms
Should
and
I?
translation.
Okay. Adaha, so Pumbhihi, by the human being, Dvijashreshtaha, always among the twice born, Varna Ashrama, the institution of four castes and four orders of life, Vibhagashaha, by the division of Sanushthitasya, of one's own prescribed duties, Dharmasya, occupational, Samsiddhi, their own prescribed duties, Dharmasya, occupational, Samsiddhi, the highest perfection, Hari, the personality of Godhead, Toshanam, pleasing. Translation by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. All best among the wise born, it is therefore concluded that the highest perfection one can achieve by discharging the duties prescribed for one's own occupation according to caste divisions and orders of life is to please the personality of Godhead.
Yes. Okay, Keshava, you will recite. Come. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.14.
तस्मादेकेन मनसा भगवान् सात्वतां पतिः श्रोतव्यः
श्रोतव्यः कीर्तितव्यश्च
ध्येयः
पूज्यश्च
नित्यदा.
तस्माद् एकेन मनसा भगवान् सात्वतां पतिः श्रोतव्यः कीर्तितव्यश्च ध्येयः पूज्यश्च नित्यदा. Synonyms. Tasmat, therefore, ekena, by one, manasa, attention of the mind, Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead, Sattvatam, of the devotees, Patihi, protector, Shrotavyah, is to be heard, Kirtitavyah, to be glorified, Cha, and Dhyeyah, to be remembered, Pujyah, to be worshipped, Cha, and Nityada, constantly. Okay, translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ji.
Therefore, with one pointed attention, one should constantly hear about, glorify, remember and worship the personality of Godhead who is the protector of the devotees.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Krishna Mataji, could you please recite after me?
जी माताजी
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.15 यदनुध्यासिना युक्ताः
श्रीमद् भागवतम 1.2.15 यदनुध्यासिना युक्ताः
कर्मग्रन्थि निबन्धनम्
कर्मग्रन्थि निबन्धनम्
छिन्दन्ति कोविदास्तस्य
छिन्दन्ति कोविदास्तस्य
को न कुर्यात् कथारतिम्
को न कुर्यात् कथारतिम्
Yes, please recite the synonyms and translation.
यत् which anudhya remembrance asina sword yuktaha being equipped with karma reactionary work granthi not nibandhanam nibandhanam internet chindanti cut kovidah intelligent tasya his kah who na not kuryat shall do katha messages ratim attention. Translation by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada Ji. With sword in hand, intelligent men cut through the binding knots of reactionary work, karma, by remembering the personality of Godhead. Therefore, who will not pay attention to his message? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Okay, Gandharvika Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Yes, Mataji.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.16
Okay.
Shushrushoho.
Shushrushohu Shraddadana
Okay, yes, you can try Mataji.
Shushrushohu Shraddadhanasya Vasudeva Kataruchihi Shyan Mahatsevaya Vipraha Punyatirtha Nishevanat. Okay.
Yes, good Mataji. Excellent. Please recite the synonyms and translation.
So one who is engaged in hearing. Shraddha with care and attention. Vasudeva in respect to Vasudeva. Katha the message. Ruchi affinity. Shah in made possible. Mahat Sevaya by service rendered to pure devotees. Vipraha vote twice born. Punya Tirtha Vipraha Vipraha vote twice born. Punya Tirtha those who are cleansed of all vice. Nishevana by service.
Mataji, this is Ana. Nishevanat. You can try to say Ana if possible. Otherwise, with practice, it will come.
Nishevanat.
Na. Nishevanat. Vanat. Like that. Not na. Not nat. Ana. You can try later on. By practice, it comes. Nishevanat by service. Yes, Mataji.
Nishevanat. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Translation given by Asa Shri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. For twice born sages, by service, those devotees who are completely freed from all vice, great service is done. By such service, one gains affinity for hearing the message of Vasudeva.
Vasudeva. Yes. Hare Krishna Mataji. Yes, Camilla Mataji, could you please recite the sloka?
Yes, Mataji. Srimbatam Srimbatam Sakataha Krishnaha Punyashravana Kirtanaha Hrityanta Hastahya Padrani Vidunoti Suhrit Satam.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.17.
Should I read synonym?
Yes, Mataji. I will recite one time just to listen if everything proper. शृण्वतां स्वकथाः कृष्णः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः हृदयन्तस्थो ह्यभद्राणि विधुनोति सुहृत्सताम्. Yes, Mataji. Please read the synonyms and translation.
Okay. Mataji, I cannot see in the screen the synonyms and translation. Okay, thank you, Mataji. Shrimpatam, those who have developed the urge to hear the message of Swakataha, his own words, Krishnaha, the personality of Godhead, Punya, virtuous Shravana, hearing, Kirtanaha, chanting, Hridyantastaha, within one's heart, he, certainly, Abhadrani, desire to enjoy matter, Vidunoti, cleanses, Suhrit, benefactor, Satam, of truthful. Translation by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Shri Krishna, a personality of Godhead, who is the Paramatma, spirit soul, in everyone's heart, and the benefactor of the truthful devotee, cleanses desire for material enjoyment from the heart of the devotee who has developed the urge to hear his messages, which are in themselves virtuous when properly heard and chanted.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Keshava, please recite the sloka. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.18.
नष्टप्रायेष्व भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवत्युत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु. भद्रेषु, not अभद्रेषु. नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवत्युत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी. Synonyms: नष्ट, destroyed, prayeshu, almost to nil, abhadreshu, all that is inauspicious, nityam, regularly, bhagavat, Srimad Bhagavatam or the pure devotee, sevaya, by serving, bhagavati, unto the personality of Godhead, uttama, transcendental, sloke, prayers, bhaktihi, loving service, bhavati, comes into being, naishtiki, irrevocable. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ji.
By regular attendance in classes on the Bhagavatam and by rendering of service to the pure devotee, all that is troublesome to the heart is almost completely destroyed, and loving service unto the personality of Godhead, who is praised with transcendental song, is established as an irrevocable fact.
Hare Krishna. Yes, anybody join? No, okay. Yes, Krishna Mataji, could you please recite after me?
जी माताजी.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.19. Tada rajastamo bhavaha.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.19. तदा रजस्तमो भावाः
कामलोभादयश्च ये
कामलोभादयश्च ये
चेत एतैर्नाविद्धं विद्धं
चेत एतैर्नाविद्धम्
स्थितं सत्त्वे प्रसीदति।
स्थितं सत्त्वे प्रसीदति।
Yes, Mataji. Could you please recite the synonyms in translation?
जी माताजी। तदा at that time rajah in the mode of passion, stamah the mode of ignorance, bhavah the situation, kama lust and desire, lobha hankering, adhyay others, cha and ye whatever they are, it, etah the mind, et, chetah the
Chetah.
mind, chetah the mind, ate by these, anavidvam without being affected, sthitam being fixed, sattve in the mode of goodness, prashidati thus become fully satisfied. Translation by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada Ji. As soon as irrevocable loving service is established in the heart, the effects of nature's mode of passion and ignorance, such as lust, desire, and hankering, disappear from the heart. Then the devotee is established in goodness and he becomes completely happy. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Gandharvika Mataji, could you please recite the sloka?
Hare Krishna. एवं प्रसन्नमनसो भगवद्भक्तियोगतः भगवत्तत्त्वविज्ञानं मुक्तशङ्कस्य जायते.
Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.20. Yes, Mataji, please recite the synonyms in translation.
एवं प्रसन्न enlivened, manashah of the mind, bhagavat bhakti the devotional service of the Lord, yogatah by contact of bhagavat regarding the personality of Godhead, tattva knowledge, vijnanam scientific, mukta liberated, shankasya of the association, jayati becomes effective. Translation. Thus established in the mode of unalloyed goodness, the man whose mind has been enlivened by contact with the devotional service to the Lord gains positive scientific knowledge of the personality of Godhead in the stage of liberation from the material association. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. All right. Yes, Camilla Mataji, could you please recite the sloka?
Yes, Mataji. Vidyate hridaya grantis chityanti sarva samsayaha kshiyanti chasya karmani drishta evatmanishpare. Mataji, you can recite also. Just so that.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, I will recite one time. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.21. Bhidyate hridaya granthis छिन्द्यन्ते सर्वसंशयाः भिद्यते हृदयग्रन्थिश्छिद्यन्ते सर्वसंशयाः क्षीयन्ते चास्य कर्माणि दृष्ट एवात्मनीश्वरे. Whenever long e comes, it will go long, like evatmanishvare. So we need to pronounce whenever long words are there, like long e or long Telugu we should pronounce there. We should give more stress. Yes, Mataji, please recite synonyms and translation.
Okay, Mataji. Vidyate, pierced, hridaya, heart, grantihi, knots, chityante, cut to pieces, sarva, all, samshayaha, misgivings, okay, kshiyante, terminated, cha, and asya, his, karmani,
Right.
chain of fruitive actions, drishta, having seen, eva, and certainly, atmani, and to the self, ishvare, dominating. Translation by His Divine Grace Sivadevananda Swami Srila Prabhupada. Thus, the knot in the heart is pierced, and all misgivings are cut to pieces. The chain of fruitive action is terminated when one sees the self as master.
Yes, Hare Krishna, Madhuri. Yes. Ishupnishad Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Jai Hare Krishna. Jai Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, could you please recite the same sloka?
Sure, Hari Bol. Jai. Vidyate Hirdaya Granthis Chityante Sarva Samsayaha Sityate Chashya Karmani Drista Evatmanisvare.
Okay, Mataji. This one, ksha, like kshiyante. And this is evatmanishvare.
Evatmanishvare. Jai.
भिद्यते हृदयग्रन्थिश्छिद्यन्ते सर्वसंशयाः क्षीयन्ते चास्य कर्माणि दृष्ट एवात्मनीश्वरे.
Jai.
Yes, Mataji, could you please recite synonyms and translation?
Jai. Vidyate, pierce, hirdaya, heart, granthahi, not chityate, cut to pieces, sarva, all, samsayaha, misgivings. So could you pronounce that one again? Sityate, sityante,
This one?
terminated.
And
Yes, this one.
Kshiyante.
Okay, shiyante, shiyante, terminated.
Yes.
Cha and Asha, his, Karmani, chain of fruitive actions, Driste, having seen, Eva, certainly, Atmani, unto the self, Isvare, dominating.
Ishvare. Long E.
I mean, Ishvare, Jai, dominating. Haribo. Translation by His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. Thus the knot in the heart is pierced, and all misgivings are cut to pieces. The chain of fruitive actions is terminated when one sees the self as master. Jai.
Yes, Mataji. So, next, Krishna Mataji, could you please recite with me?
जी माताजी.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.22. Ato vai kavayo nityam.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.22. Ato vai kavyo nityam
Bhaktim paramaya muda.
bhaktim paramaya muda
Vasudeve Bhagavati.
vasudeve bhagavati
कुर्वन्त्यात्मप्रसादनीम्
कुर्वन्त्या आत्मप्रसादनीम्
कुर्वन्त्यात्मप्रसादनीम्
कुर्वन्त्यात्मप्रसादनीम्
This is long neem, like that little bit long will go.
Oh,
Yes, Mataji, please recite the synonyms and translation.
अतः therefore why certainly कवयो all the transcendentalist nityam from time immemorial bhaktim service unto the Lord paramaya supreme muda with great delight Vasudeva Shri Krishna Bhagavati the personality of Godhead Kurvanti to render Atma self prasadanim that which enlivens
Enlightens.
enlivens. Translation by E.C. Bhakti Vedant Srila Prabhupada Ji. Certainly, therefore, since time immemorial, all the transcendentalists have been rendering devotional service to Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead, with great delight, because such devotional service is enlivening in what is this word, Mataji?
Enlivening.
Enlivening to the self.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Gandharvika Mataji, could you please try to recite? Hare Krishna Mataji, are you there? Gandharvika Mataji? You are on mute. Okay, I think she is busy. Yes, Ishopnishad Mataji, you can recite after me.
All right.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.23 Sattvam Rajas Tama iti
Sattvam Rajas Tama iti
Prakriter Gunaster Yuktah
Prakrtir Gunaster Yuktaha
Gunaster. And this A with bar means elongated.
Gunaster Yuktaha
Prakriti. Yes, okay. Paraha Purush Ek Ihasya Dhatte
Haraha Purusha Eka Ihasya Date
Dhatte. Double the.
Date. Okay.
Chityadaye
Stitya Daye
Hari Virinchi Hareti
Hari Virinchi Hareti
Hari Virinchi Hareti Sangyaha
Hari Virinchi Harete Sam Yanaha
Samgyaha
Samja Samja Aha.
Samgyaha
Oh,
This
that's
is
right.
Nya.
Samnya Aha.
Okay. Samgyaha
Sam
Shreyansi
Shreyami.
Shreyamsi
Oh, I'm sorry. Shreyamshi.
Tatra Khalu
Tacha Kalu.
Sattvatanor Shihu
Sattva Tanor Nirnam Shiyu.
Shihu. Yes, Mataji.
Shiyu. Jai. Jai.
Camilla Mataji could. Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Camilla Mataji, you can also recite the same sloka.
Yes, Mataji. Should I recite all of it or?
You can decide one. I will decide one line, then you can decide after me. One line. Sattvam rajastama iti prakritirgunastairyuktah
Sattvam rajastama iti prakritiर्गुणस्थैर्युक्तः
parah purush ek ihasya dhatte
परः पुरुष एक इहस्य दत्ते
स्थित्यादये हरिविरिञ्चि हरेति संज्ञाः
स्थित्यादये हरिविरिञ्चि हरति संज्ञाः.
This is samjnaha. Generally, we in India they say samjnaha, but not correct. We should say this samjnaha. Nya should be there.
Yeah.
Samjnaha.
Okay. So is it samjnaha or samjnaha?
No. First one.
Oh, samjnaha. Okay. So they.
Yes.
Stithyadaya hari virinchi harati samjnaha.
श्रेयांसि तत्र खलु सत्त्वतनोर्नृणां स्युः
श्रेयांसि तत्र खलु सत्त्वतनोर्नृणां स्युः.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Ishubnishan Mataji, could you please recite the synonyms?
Sure. Sattvam, goodness. Rajaha, passion. Tamaha, the darkness of ignorance. Iti, thus. Prakrite. Hey. Prakrite. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Prakrita. Prakrite.
Yes,
Of the material nature.
Correct.
Gunaha, qualities.
Gunaha.
Tahi, gunaha. Yes, gunaha. Jai, I didn't see the dot underneath it. Jai. Okay, qualities. Taihi. Tai. Taihi.
Yes.
By them. Yuktaha, associated with. Paraha, transcendental. Purusaha, the personality. Ekaha, or ekaha.
Eka.
Ekaha. Ekaha, one. Iha Asya, of this material world. Date, accepts. Stiti Adaye, for the matter of creation, maintenance, and destruction, etc. Hari, Vishnu. Vishnu, the personality of Godhead. Varinshi, Brahma. Hara, Lord Shiva. Iti, thus. Samjnaha. Samjan. So that's, could you pronounce that one more time for me?
Samjnaha.
Samyaha. Guy. Different features. Shreyamshi, ultimate benefits. Tatra, therein. Kalu, of course. Sattva, goodness. Tanaho, form. Nirnam, of the human being. Shiyuhu, derived. Hare Krishna. Jai.
Hare Krishna.
Translation. Did you want me to read the translation? Okay.
Yes, please.
Translation. By His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada, the transcendental personality of Godhead is indirectly associated with the three modes of material nature, namely passion, goodness, and ignorance. And just for the material world's creation, maintenance, and destruction, He accepts the three qualitative forms of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Of these three, all human beings can derive ultimate benefit from Vishnu, the form of the quality of goodness. Haribol.
Hare Krishna Mataji. With this, we will conclude today's session. So it
Jai.
was
Hari
little
Bol.
short for you. Okay, so
Jai. Jaya. Hare Krishna Mataji. I'm glad that you were able to notice that I wasn't able to join.
yeah, I just
And
checked that you didn't join up to now, so I just checked it and then saw that you want link, so I have sent. I will pin that link in that group so that
yeah,
it will
that
be
way
there.
I will be able to. Right. And so thank you so very much. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji. So we'll conclude the session here. All glories to assembled devotees. Vancha
Jai.
kalpatarubhyascha kripa
One more question.
sindhubhyeva. Yes, Mataji.
I'm sorry, I interrupted. We'll be doing this again tomorrow. I can do this on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Is that still going to be happening?
Yeah, sure, Mataji. You can join Wednesday and Thursday. No problem.
All right. Hari Hari Bol.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mhm.
वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय। के हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
Jai Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।